Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some tranquil conditions out there this morning, seeing anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies. Going to see more partly cloudy conditions this afternoon with just some serious cloudiness across the region, so some filter sunshine across the area for the afternoon hours. We'll see, in general, some nice conditions today with no chances of precipitation or lightning. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, at freeze level at 6,700 feet. Fairly light winds throughout the column today, seeing winds about 15 to 20 knots in the low levels out of the southwest, and seeing a peak wind at 9,000 feet out of the west-southwest at 26 knots, and winds remaining in between about 15 to 25 knots above that, and becoming more southwesterly again at 25,000 feet at 23 knots. Take a look at our current surface analysis. We have a weak area low pressure off the Carolina coast, and the disturbance north of our region. We're kind of sandwiched in between with just some tranquil conditions across the region. High pressure building in for today and for the first half of tomorrow before cold front moves through for Friday night into Saturday. So taking a look at our satellite imagery for this morning, see we have some serious cloudiness across the region, some mid-level cloudiness off the coast, and we're kind of seeing that partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions across the region this morning. Taking a look at the GFS model the next few days, this afternoon into this evening. High pressure in control, seeing a chilly start to the day on Friday near freezing. Should warm up very nicely for Friday. Temperatures in the mid-50s before that cold front swings through. For Friday night to Saturday, seeing rainfall likely about 90 to 100% chance. We're going to see some rainfall for Friday night and Saturday morning. Should be well out of the region by Saturday by dawn. We'll have another upper level disturbance moving through for Saturday evening. That's going to give us a chance of some showers and even a chance of a few wet snowflakes possibly mixing in late in the day on Saturday. Moving to Sunday, we'll have another upper level disturbance approaching from the west, but we'll be just seeing some tighter pressure gradient across the region, so slightly breezy conditions on Sunday. We'll see cooler weather as well, expected within the 40s for highs, and then for Monday, we'll have that upper level disturbance we've been monitoring the last few days moving through the region. Looks like not going to have much moisture with it. Just going to be some snow showers in the Appalachian Mountains. Slight chance we see a brief sprinkle or flurry for Monday, as we'll have colder upper level and low level temperatures that could possibly allow us to see a few snowflakes reach the ground if they don't melt and become just some sprinkles for Monday afternoon. But overall, those chances look to be very slim, about 15%. Moving to Tuesday, we're going to see high pressure building in from the south to southeast. That's going to allow us to have a chilly day across the region. And then for Wednesday, we'll have another cold front approaching from the north and from the west. That's going to really just give us a little bit more cloud cover across the area, and a slight chance of a shower, but most likely it won't make it over the Appalachian Mountains. Once we move into the latter portion of next week, seeing a more active weather pattern for Thursday into Friday, possibly seeing that system move through a little bit quicker for Thursday. European model does have system moving back through the area on Thursday of next week. So I continue to monitor the weather pattern for later next week, as we should see a little bit more active weather moving into the latter portion of next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, a really nice day for middle of January. Temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. High of 53 degrees today, a low tonight of 32. West winds this afternoon, 7 to 12 knots, a variable less than 5 knots overnight. We'll have a slight chance of some fog coming in overnight. We'll have southeasterly flow developing by tomorrow morning, and that should allow for us to have higher relative humidity values, as well as the calm winds overnight, so could see some patchy fog. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours, unless we do see that patchy fog tomorrow morning. Should see all of our cloud cover really above the 15,000 foot level, with the majority of our cloud cover in the cirrus around 20 to 25,000 feet. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Friday into Saturday. Friday, slight chance of some patchy fog early, then partly to mostly cloudy, slightly breezy and mild. Slight chance of rain shower late, and a high of 55 degrees. Looking like about 20% before 0Z on Friday evening. For Friday night, we'll see overcast skies, rain likely early, then clearing skies overnight. We'll see a low of 41. Looks like that rain will be likely, and a slight chance of seeing those ceilings below 500 feet. For Saturday, partly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy to overcast. Slightly breezy as well. A chance of a shower by mid-afternoon. We'll have a few wet snowflakes possible late, but they will be isolated in general, seeing a high of 48 degrees, and looking like that chance of precipitation around 40%. So next 7 days, dry conditions for today and tomorrow. Nice weather in the mid-50s across the area, seeing that 90% chance of rainfall with that cold front moving through for Friday night to Saturday, then a 40% chance of those scattered showers Saturday afternoon, evening. And we'll see continued more seasonable weather for this time of year, temperatures in the 40s from Saturday through Wednesday of next week. Seeing more cloud cover for Sunday evening, and seeing mostly cloudy conditions with the coolest day expected on Monday, 15% chance of a brief sprinkle or flurry. Most likely won't see it. And then Tuesday and Wednesday looks like seeing some cooler temperatures in here, mid-40s for highs to upper 40s on Wednesday. Going to continue to track that system for late next week, whether that moves in here a little bit earlier for Wednesday or continues to be pushed off until Thursday or Friday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.